Welcome to my channel where I simplify the web. In this video, the sixth part of my array methods explained series, I'll be explaining the filter method. What does this array method do? The filter method loops through each item in an array to select the items that meet a specified condition, and in each loop, the items that meet the criteria would make up the returned array from this method. The syntax of the filter method is similar to map and for each. So let's say I'm applying the filter on this numbers array. It's going to accept the callback function which receives three arguments. The first one is the item, the second one is the index, and the third one is the array. I'm going to log all of this to console so you can see it. So if I come here and I run node test, you can see that for the first loop, the item is 1, which is this here. The index is 0, which is this here, and the array is the numbers array, which you can see here. And these are for the other items in the other loops. With the filter method, you apply a condition for the loop, and for any item here that meets that condition, it's going to be returned in the final array. So let's say I say if item is equal to 1, return true, else return false. And for the returned array, I'm going to assign this to a filtered variable. Now if I come down here and I console.log filtered and I run this with node test, you can see that it returns an array with just 1, because 1 is the only item in this array that meets this condition that we specified. Now let me show you a different condition. Let's say I want to match for even numbers. I'm going to say if item modulus 2 is equals to 0, then I know this is an even number. I'm going to return true, else I know it's an odd number, so I'm going to return false. When I come here and I run node test, you can see that the array that is returned from the filter method has 2 and 4, because it's only 2 and 4 that meets the condition that we have specified here. We have been able to filter this array by selecting the items that match the condition that we specified. You can also use this method for an array of objects, and I'm going to show you an example. And this is a users array with different objects for 4 users with the name property and the age property. Now I can do something like this: above 43. Let's say I want to get all the users that are above 43 years of age. Then I can use users.filter. For the callback function, it's going to receive a user argument, and then I can return user.age greater than 43. So this filter method is going to loop through these items here and check the user object that has the age property greater than 43. If I come here now and I console.log above 43 and I come here and I run node test, you can see that the Dillion and Mary, Dillion is 50 years of age, Mary is 44 years of age, they meet this condition, and so they are filtered in this new array. So this is how the filter method allows you to select the items in an array that meet a specified condition. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe for more content like this, and look forward to more methods of arrays I'll be explaining in this series.